Here are some easy steps to help you contact our customer support. Okay, so first of all, you open the Club Factory app and click support at the bottom of the screen. There you'll find the frequently asked questions categories. Please take a look and select the right category. If, for example, you have an issue with your order, then you can click the order option and select the question that applies to your situation. However, if your issue is not listed among the order questions, then you can go back to the previous page and click Others. At this point, you'll be given two options. Your first option is before the order is delivered, and your second option is after the order is delivered. And that's it, guys. You will be redirected to our customer support, and you can chat with them and they'll help you deal with your issue as fast as possible. Enjoy your shopping.
Club Factory, everything unbeaten price.